90% of the tech you buy on Amazon is complete junk. Cheap plastic that ends up in a drawer after 2 days. But every once in a while, you find something under $25 that genuinely changes how you live. I spent the last month testing dozens of budget devices. And today, I'm showing you 5 absolute genius finds that cost less than a takeout dinner and actually solve real, daily headaches. First, car charger. Let's start with something almost everyone gets wrong. Cable clutter in the car. You have 3 different cords tangling up your cup holders, and half the time, they don't even fast charge. Enter the retractable dual-cord car charger. It plugs directly into your 12-volt outlet and gives you 2 built-in heavy-duty cables that extend up to 2.5 feet. When you're done, you just yank it gently and it snaps right back inside itself. 0 cables hanging around your gear shifter. 0 tangles. Plus, it pumps out up to 60 watts of total power, which means it can fast charge your phone and your passenger's phone at the exact same time. It even has a small built-in display showing your vehicle's real-time battery voltage. But here's where most people mess up with budget car gear. They buy cheap, uncertified adapters that overheat your phone battery. This one actually has built-in thermal protection chips. So for around 20 bucks, you get a clean dashboard and safer fast charging. Second, desk stand now. If you spend more than 2 hours a day at a desk, this next one is non-negotiable. Most people keep their phone flat on their desk while working, which means every single time a notification hits, you have to stop, bend your neck, and look straight down. This is a fully foldable, weighted aluminum desk stand. It uses dual high-friction hinges, so you can adjust the angle and the height with 0 wobble. Even if you're tapping heavily on a giant tablet, it stays locked in place. Rubber grips on the bottom stop it from sliding, and rubber pads on the hooks protect your phone case from getting scratched up. And when you're done, it folds completely flat, down to the thickness of a notebook. You can drop it in your bag for coffee shop work or travel. Think about it. For less than $15, you fix your neck posture and clear off desk real estate. It's easily one of the highest value desk accessories on the market. Third, travel adapter. If you travel, even once a year, you know the wall outlet struggle. Hotel rooms never have enough outlets near the bed, and the ones they do have are usually loose or blocked by furniture. This is the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter. It works in over 150 countries, using a clever slider system on the side. Push a tab, and the exact plug you need pops out. But here's why tech enthusiasts swear by it, even for domestic trips. It doesn't just adapt a plug. It turns 1 wall outlet into 6 charging points. You get 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and a pass-through AC outlet on the front. That means you can charge your laptop, phone, smartwatch, and camera gear simultaneously off a single wall socket. But wait, before you go buy one, there is a huge catch you need to know. This is an adapter, not a voltage converter. It will safely power your dual voltage electronics, like phones, laptops, and tablets. But if you plug a high-draw 120-volt hairdryer into a 240-volt European socket, you will blow a fuse. As long as you stick to your daily tech, this single cube replaces every charging brick in your bag. Fourth, Bluetooth scrolling ring. Okay, this next one looks completely ridiculous until you actually try it. This is a Bluetooth scrolling ring. You wear it like a small ring on your index finger, and it connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth. With a simple click of your thumb, you can scroll through videos, page through ebooks, or pause music without ever touching your screen. If you read on a Kindle or iPad in bed during winter, you don't have to keep your hands out in the cold air just to turn the page. You leave your device mounted on an arm stand. Keep your hands warm under the blanket, and just press the button. It even doubles as a remote camera shutter for group photos or video recording. Is it a total luxury? Absolutely. Does it cost under $15 and make lazy Sundays 10 times better? 100%. Last one is Smart Tracker. We've all been there, 10 minutes late for work, searching for lost keys or a wallet. Most people think Bluetooth trackers are expensive or require monthly subscriptions. They aren't. Devices like the TileMate or Budget Smart Tags cost under $20. You attach it to your keyring, drop it in your backpack, or slide it into your wallet. Tap a single button on your phone, and the tracker rings loudly until you find it. And if you lose your phone instead, you double press the button on the tracker, and your phone will ring out loud, even if it's set to silent. The battery lasts over 3 years. It's water resistant, and for under $20, it completely eliminates that morning panic. 5 simple gadgets, all under $25, that genuinely fix daily tech headaches. Every single item mentioned is linked in the description below, so you can check current pricing and availability. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're picking up. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical tech finds every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.